Welcome to News 53. Vikharabad district. Explosion with a loud noise on the premises of a house in Peddemal village. A young man named Begari Venkat, who was at home, was rushed to the Tandur district hospital with serious injuries. Police investigating. Report by Saifuddin Tayyebi.